Okay. So, hello guys, welcome back to Ashwani Verma YouTube channel. Today is day 17 of 90-day challenge for him. And I every day ask him to study for a certain period of time. And today also, when I was watching a video, and I thought to record that what he is studying and how he is studying. So let's see what he is studying right now, and I'll ask him to describe how he studies every day. So let's go. Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am doing well.
Okay, so
Yes,
I'm recording your video for your
yes.
audience today to tell them how you everyday practice, how you everyday improve your vocabulary, and how many words you learn, and what is the right way that you follow. Because people are amazed at the improvement that in just 1 month you have achieved a level and you are able to speak now fearlessly. You don't have any fear or hesitation when you speak, so they are curious to know that your way of learning English. So I want you to show them.
Okay. First of all, my name is Ashwani Verma and I am focusing on my English improvement and I have taken 90 days English improvement challenge. So the topic is how can I improve my English daily basis. First of all, I say to you that guys, I am listening every day. I am listening English conversation videos and English podcast. So today, right now, I am watching English conversation video like Rajni Verma, Try to Try YouTube channel, and here I can watch whole video and then with watching whole video and I learn vocabulary in this video because we listen properly and we observe all information and but after listening podcast, after listening English conversation videos, after that we forget about words, forget about what is the main thing, what is the main topic of this video, that video. So that's why I watch this video, then some important words, important vocabulary I draw down in my notebook. Okay, but the topic is how much how can I learn vocabulary and uh, how much I learn vocabulary.
How many words you learn every day?
Yes, how many words, how many learn,
How many words you
how
learn?
many how many words learn every day. So the topic is this. But guys, first, when I start my learning journey, I focus 4 to 5 words each and every day. But this is very difficult for me, or maybe this is very difficult for every beginners, because beginners not understand these all 5 to 6 vocabulary in a single day, and there are so many difficulties, and मतलब beginners not able to recall every day this vocabulary. So that's why I stitch one vocabulary one day. So this is very helpful for every beginner, because one vocabulary one day is the method that can change our speaking skill, that can change our mentally strength, like related to English. So one vocabulary is more important, because when we learn one vocabulary, like every morning I learn one vocabulary, so whole day I repeat one vocabulary and make sentence, 5 to 6 sentence on each one vocabulary. So this is very helpful for me, and hopefully this is helpful for you. Or and if you focus on vocabulary, so one day one vocabulary learn, because it's very easy and it's very practical method, because I am currently I am focusing on this method. So this is very helpful. And if you are struggling with vocabulary, so this roadmap is very helpful. So learn and observe podcast, observe English conversation. So and make one vocabulary, write down your notebook and make sentence 5 to 6 and each and every vocabulary. That is very helpful. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.